How to fix Roblox cursor going off screen on PC. If you want to fix the Roblox cursor going off screen on PC, it's actually quite simple to do so. First of all, make sure that the Roblox game is completely closed, and you can also try to check from Task Manager and end the task manually. Now right-click on an empty space on your Windows home screen and go to the option Display Settings. When you head over to Display Settings, under the Scale and the Display Resolution, make sure that you set the value to the recommended ones. Also go to Scale and also make sure you're using a recommended value. If that's not working, you can simply try to go to the System option, and here you'll also be able to find many options where you can simply troubleshoot some of the common issues. So go to Troubleshoot and just go ahead and troubleshoot some issues with your mousepad. Now on the left hand side, go to Apps, go to Installed Apps, and simply search for your Microsoft version of Roblox or whichever version you're using. You can simply select that particular app right here or click the three dots icon and go to Advanced Options. Here you'll see many options. You can try to reset the app or repair the app. If that doesn't help, just click on Uninstall and uninstall and reinstall the application completely. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.